Hi guys, so I'm gonna create new workflow. It is workflow 4 and tutorial number 5. The first tutorial was basically setup, and so now LinkedIn connection, LinkedIn. I will say about LinkedIn send message. Okay, so this is gonna be workflow for tutorial number 5. So in this workflow, let's do first let's assume that this profile has accepted our request. Okay, the profile number 1, let's assume it for now. And now here I'm gonna again define schedule trigger, and some based on some schedule trigger I basically wanna this workflow to run and send messages. So I wanna it, let's suppose on 3 a.m. it should run and it should send messages, so that when I wake up at 6 or 7 a.m. I should have their responses. Or yeah, so after schedule trigger I'm gonna get all the fields from my Google Sheet, all the profiles, and yeah, let me select the sheet is gonna be LinkedIn automation, and then LinkedIn profiles. And inside LinkedIn profiles I only need those profiles who have basically accepted the connection request, means this value should be true. So I only need these profiles. So I'm gonna run it, and it should only give one profile to me. You can see it has only given me one item, which is this Zafir Riaz, and you can check I have just made it true. Let's assume it that he has accepted our request. Okay, so after that what you can do, you can again add a loop over here, and inside loop you can get one profile at a time. And here what you can do in browser flow, we have basically send a LinkedIn message. Okay, so here what we can do, you can do here an amazing thing as well. Let's do one thing. So we can basically add here AI agent, and AI agent should basically craft a personalized messages. So I am gonna now tell you that why we also scraped or saved this tagline, location, and summary in this sheet. Why we because we have not used these fields still, but now we are going to use these fields as a context for the AI agent to basically craft the personalized messages to send these CEOs or the profiles that we have scraped. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect a chat model with it. I'm gonna use OpenAI 4.1 mini seems fine. We can claim 100 free credits, so I have just claimed 100 free credits. So yeah, you can also get from n8n. So yeah, I have just connected this, and as a tool I'm not gonna connect anything as a tool. As a memory I'm not gonna connect anything. I'm just gonna run this loop for now, and I will be getting from loop I will be getting some values. So I'm gonna define here, hey, you are my personal assistant. Yeah, so I am just done with the prompt that I am gonna use it using this AI agent. So I am basically telling it, hey, you are my personal assistant, and you will help me to craft a personalized messages for these profiles, because I'm looking for a job related to AI in software engineering. My expertise are in Gen AI, blah 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 blah. I also have experience building multi-agentic systems, including several companies I have worked with, such as Salesforce, Focus Agent System for Chirp, using LangChain and LangGraph. I am very excited about opportunities in Qatar because I see strong potential for AI there, both now and in the future across the Gulf region. Okay, so make sure. So yeah, I'm basically gonna give it some instruction. Make sure keep it minimal professional, as I will send them directly on LinkedIn. It should be without subject line. Here is the profile. So in profile I am gonna now provide them name. Yeah, okay, so I am gonna provide them name, and with name I am also gonna provide them tagline, okay, so that agent have context, and I'm gonna provide them their location as well. I'm gonna provide here this AI agent a summary as well, because some profiles is summaries as well. Okay, so yeah, now this AI agent will craft a personalized message, and I also want required specific format, so I am gonna enable this option because I want yeah, now in here I'm gonna add system message, and output format should be look like this. So yeah, text, and there should be only message field. I am gonna use this same. I'm gonna basically I have provided a system message so that it should only provide me output in that case, in that structure. I'm gonna use this structure, and yeah, I'm gonna eliminate these. I'm gonna only add this as well. Okay, I just need text message. Okay, text message, and basically using this dictionary. So let me provide this here as well, same text message. So now save it. So once this will craft, this AI agent will craft a message, we will utilize. Let's run it and see how this agent is gonna work. So yeah, let's see. So it has just created a personalized message. You can see, hello Zafar, I hope this message finds you well. I am an AI software engineering professional with expertise in GenAI. Okay, so hey, you are my personal assistant. Let me provide him my name. My name is Sarfraz Ahmad. Okay, and from Islamabad, Pakistan. Okay, so now it should create more sophisticated message for me, which I can send to these profiles. Now you can see, hello Zafar, I hope this message find you well. I am Sarfraz Ahmed from Islamabad, Pakistan, with a background in AI software engineering. So specialized in GenAI, ML, DL, and prompt engineering. I have worked with tools like LangChain, LangGraph, and built multi-agentic systems, including projects for companies like Chirp. I am very interested in exploring opportunities in Qatar. Would appreciate any guidance or potential connection you would offer. Thank you for your time. Best regards. It has created a minimal and professional message because I have provided these. I have provided it these instructions. Okay, therefore it is creating a professional message and minimal message to the point. So now once we will get that message, we will get this field, we will put over here, and inside LinkedIn URL we can basically get that URL from, we can also get that URL from loop. Let's take it from loop, and now what you can do, you can create one more field here, message sent. Okay, now we can also utilize this field over here. Once message will be sent, we can basically update the sheet, update or append the sheet. Okay, so I'm gonna, yeah, let me select it, LinkedIn profiles. So match should be based on LinkedIn profile because it can be a unique. Yeah, so I will just update this as true. Okay, message sent, true. And now let's, and this will be also a loop, it will run in a loop, so that it will get one profile, AI agent will craft a message, it will send that message, it will update the sheet, again it will get one profile, and this is something how it will be gonna work. I'm gonna add a wait of 5 seconds. I'm gonna save it, and let's now run it. Yeah, so individual has not accepted our request yet, but let's see. if it is gonna it is able to still it is able to send message or not. Yeah, let's see. So we are basically sending message to this profile, Zafir Riaz. I guess it will give an error. So yeah, message sent, successfully sent. And now let's do it continue, because whenever there is an error it should continue. So yeah, message successfully sent, and this should be matched based on LinkedIn URL. Okay, and save it. Let's see. So it has sent message successfully, and now let me pin it, and let me also pin this. I am pinning, basically I want a sheet to be updated, because sheet node I didn't execute that sheet node. So now you can see message sent is true. I hope you got the logic. And now I am gonna unpin it, because if I will not pin it, it will again execute these nodes to just update the sheet. So I just pinned it, so that when I wanted to update the sheet node, it should get the previous information or previous execution of these nodes. Okay, I don't want to wait a lot again sending messages. Now let's see if without connection we are able to send a message or not. So yeah, I guess messages not being sent because connection request is not accepted, because some profiles are not allowing that. But let's see again. Let's see. Yes, so I am not able to see the message that have been sent to this profile, because I guess he has not accepted my connection request yet. So once he will accept, I will be able to see the interaction or communication over here. So yeah, that is something so far, and this workflow will definitely work. You can further enhance these workflows based on your needs, based on your requirements. And yeah, you can basically create a job automation or job hunter automation. You can just scrape the profiles and then send them connection, check if accepted, and then send them messages with your CV attached. That is something you can also do. And you can, if you want to sell something in a specific region, you can also do that as well. If you want to do marketing, you want to do personal branding, you can do using these automation. These are something amazing that n8n is basically offering now, and I have created detailed videos and have explained everything. But if please give me a shout out and share this a minimal course with your friends. It can create a lot of value. And if you want to sell these automations to someone, you can create an amazing automation from just this course, and you can sell to other clients globally. Post it on LinkedIn and get clients from there. Create a gig on Fiverr, and you can do a lot of amount from just this simple skill. You will be able to find all of the workflows on my GitHub, as well as I will provide a link to Drive, or I will keep these on my Skool community DataLinkk. And just join that, and you will be able to get these in a free. And my Skool community is also free. Please hit subscribe to my channel, and also you can visit my Instagram. I am basically posting a daily content or short content there as well. So yeah, I need your support. I will create more amazing courses like this, and you will not find any course like this on YouTube. So yeah, I have no any better cameras or better setup, but I tried to provide you a quality tutorials or my skills. I tried to share that. Yeah, but with your support, yeah, support me so that I have a great setup like other YouTubers, and a great editing like other YouTubers. Yeah, this YouTube videos have not great editing, but have a quantity or quality of work, quality of skill that you can learn and sell, and you can do something big. Thank you.